All right, so I picked up these black aprons, and we're gonna check these out. This is what they look like when you first get them. Folded really nice, all kind of in a bundle. This is half of them, and the other half I kind of already messed up. But let's pull one of them out, take a look at it more closely. So let's pull off this top one here. And I'll try to fold the rest of those up. All right, so here's what just one of them looks like. And this is the top part here. It has just that loop that goes around the top, around your neck. And then the apron itself kind of bows out, gets wider. And then it's quite long all the way. And then here is the part that ties around your waist. You'll tie this around your back, however you like, whether a bow or slip knot of some kind. I'm not great at tying knots, but let's see what we can do here. So you'll tie that around your waist. And then, of course, when you're done using it, you can just pull out one of these strings and it'll come back out. As far as the material goes, it is reasonably thick. You shouldn't get too hot wearing this, even though they're black, because it's reasonably thin as well. Let's look at the stitching on it. Looks like it's well done. No problems there. Nice black, dark black color to it. Would fit well in like a restaurant setting. You know, everybody wants to match. Looks slick, looks sleek. We're gonna try this on and I'll let you know how it feels. If it's easy to walk around in, that kind of thing. This is kind of where it falls on me. So just above my chest there, of course it goes around my neck. As far as what it looks like down here, comes down to just below my knees, and then the string was long enough to wrap all the way around my back and then tie in the front. That just makes it a lot easier to tie. But yeah, that's kind of how it looks. And I'm got a little belly to me, but I typically wear an extra large shirt that fits me like that. So yeah, like I said, I think these would be good for like a restaurant or people serving food, waiting on tables, these kinds of things. But yeah, seem like decent quality. They should work.